You're gonna wake up the neighbors. You're gonna wake up the neighbors. You're loud, Charles. You're loud.
Damn, that looks so much better. That's just one coat on the bumper, but that looks so much better than what it did, man. That's awesome. It's just semi-gloss Rust-Oleum black paint. Real van life. Shaving in a van. Not a bad little spot to take a shower and shave, right? Not a bad little spot. Man, you want to talk about a cold shower? Holy crap. Yeah, you haven't had a cold shower until you put the water on your head and your head starts hurting. That's how cold the shower was. But anyway, it's over and done with. nice cold shower out here by the water, and shaved up my neck a little bit. So, but yeah, this is van life, man. This is real van life, not all that bullshit van life. Anyway, this is a real shit right here. When you're showering outside in February. You guys want to know what it's like to live in a van? Real van life? Yeah, this is real van life right here. No shower inside, no hot shower. This is cold shower. You know, this is part of van life, man. The stuff that a lot of people don't talk about. Shaving in a van, taking a shower in a van, you know, all that stuff, man. But yeah, this is my whatever day it is, Saturday, Sunday. I think it's Saturday. This is my Saturday. Haven't been on YouTube in a while, maybe about a week or so. Just been busy, man, just doing stuff. Doing a couple odds and ends with the van, and working and trying to get myself situated. I'm getting ready to go down to North Carolina and then head out to Texas. My niece is getting married, so taking a road trip with my dad and my dog to Texas. So that's going to be cool. That'll be fun. But I'm back at my one little spot here that I went to before, that I showed you guys before. It's my one little spot that has all this sea glass in one of my other videos I showed you guys. But yeah, I just came out here, man. Basically to shower and shave my neck a little bit. But it's a good little spot, man. It's pretty cool. Just had a guy stop by. He was looking for a place to launch a boat. But I was like, yeah, I don't know if this one's gonna do it for you. But yeah, man. It's a nice little spot right here, man. Be all by yourself, hang out. There's Charlie in the front seat. I don't know if you guys just saw that or not. Probably not. But there's Charlie in the front seat. I just had him out. So yeah, I just cleaned up the van a little bit. I didn't realize that the van was such a mess, but that's what happens when you live in a van down by the bay. But yeah, I just cleaned up the van a little bit. Yeah, man, this is real van life. I was actually met this van life guy from California here in Virginia Beach, and we sat there and talked for a while the other day, and just about a lot of different things. He doesn't have a YouTube channel, but he watches YouTube channels and stuff like that, and he was like, you know, this is real van life right here. And I was like, yeah, I know, right? And he was like, he goes, yeah, man, you see all those pictures of all those people and all these beautiful places and stuff like that, and a lot of people are trying to get into van life because of that reason. And he was like, dude, I've slept in more parking lots than I can count. And I was like, I hear you, buddy. I was like, I try not to sleep in parking lots, but it happens, man. You know, you're not always by a mountain or by an ocean or by a lake or, you know, whatever, but sometimes you got to park in parking lots. But yeah, he was a pretty cool guy, man. From California. He came over here, went to Jersey because that's where he's from, and then he came down to Virginia Beach, and he's trying to work his way back to California. And he's like, yeah, man, my finances aren't where I thought they were. I'm spending a lot more money than what I thought I was. And he was like, I don't think I'm going to make it back to California unless I stop somewhere and start working. So I gave him some ideas and some tips about how to get some work and stuff like that. And he was like, dude, that's awesome. It's brilliant, brilliant idea. And, I appreciate it. And he said he's going to check it out. So, but considering the fact that I paint houses, and he said that he painted his bedroom and painted some other stuff, and friends and family and stuff like that. And I was like, well, do this, check this out, and go from there, man. Even if it's $100, $200, or whatever, it's better than nothing. So, but anyway. So yeah, just trying to enjoy the rest of my day and get some stuff done that I need to get done, and get ready for this trip to North Carolina, and then the long trip to Texas. So, but anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good day. Drive safe.